This is Project Rizzle, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Rizzle is painted in full gloss Porsche petrol blue with silver accents. Rizzle sits on 20-inch Carn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features an ARB bull-bar front bumper with worn winch, 2 Hella LED Series 5000 lights up front and 2 at the rear. We also have an E.C.D custom silver metal steering guard and 6-point external cage. Inside, Rizzle features a Momo Quark steering wheel with mold bomber gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats with 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a honeycomb, carrot cadence licorice and cadence spice leather stitched together in maple and black. Rizzle is powered by a LS3 Plus 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern touches such as Hertz Melee audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.